Hello everyone and welcome to this exciting presentation on integration of AI with food sensors. So I'm S.V. Gokulavashini, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Food Technology in SNS College of Technology. And today we are diving into how artificial intelligence is teaming up with the simple device called food sensors to make our food safer, fresh and better. We will cover the basics, why it is important, real example and even future ideas. So stick around for 5 minutes. Let us get started. So first, let us jog our memory with some quick questions to get us thinking. Can you name some sensor types used in quality control? Thinking like temperature sensors that check if food is too hot or cold, or pH sensors that measures acidity to spot spoilage. AI makes them smarter by analyzing data super fast, like a brain spotting problem before they happen. So next, how does the real-time monitoring with AI and sensor cut down food waste? And imagine a food factory line, so in which sensor watch everything live and AI alerts workers if something is off. So bad batches get fixed early instead of thrown away. And picture a dairy plant using AI and sensor for milk. The system might track the temperature, bacteria level and freshness. So AI then crushes the data to predict if the milk will spoil soon, helping keep it safe for us to drink. So today we will discuss an introduction to AI and food sensors, why we integrate them, design thinking for innovation in food, key technologies and apps, so real world cases and interactive challenges, and wrap up with Q&A and references. So sounds fun, right? Now let us explore how AI enhances food safety. So food sensors are like tiny detectives. They spot physical things like heat or chemicals in food. So AI is the smart partner using algorithms. So algorithms are nothing but simple rules to make them decide. So like a human but faster. So together they combine for real-time data analysis. So sensor collect informations, AI process it and boom. Actionable insights like warning about bad qualities or pretending mission fixes. So this chain makes food production smoother and safer. So why do we need AI in food quality control? Let us empathize with the problems. So first, precision. We need to ensure food is safe and high quality right away, no delay. So consumer expect fresh, safe and eco-friendly food. Nobody wants food wastage. So regulations like FDA rules or HACCP standards are very strict. AI helps meet them without any mistakes. And efficiency. AI reduces waste by optimizing the process, like spotting issue early, so less food get tossed away. And thinking of it as a cycle, high sensitivity leads to automation, scalability and productive checks, making the whole system better. So let us define the basics. So first of all, food sensors are the device that detects the properties like temperature, pH, moisture or gases in food. So example includes biosensors for bacteria or optical sensors for color changes. And AI and machine learning, it is very simple. So AI mimics the human thinking with algorithms, and machine learning trains the model on data to predict the problems like this pH level means spoilage. And its hierarchical is that sensor data flows to the AI for analysis, turning it into a useful insights like stop the line. This step-by-step processing is a key. So how does AI supercharge these sensors? So it enables the real-time monitoring, constant data collection and analysis. So predictive analysis is nothing but AI foresees the risk like unusual smell from gas sensors. And automation makes smart decision in factories, like adjusting the machine automatically. And overall, it's like giving a sensor a brain, so they don't just measure, they think and act. So there are different types of AI. supervised learning. So it uses the label data like pH values and predict the spoilage rate. Next is the unsupervised learning. So it finds the odd patterns within the labels like strange gas readings, signaling troubles, and etc. And reinforcement learning, it improves the process over time based on feedback like optimizing a product line. So these models evolve from the basic reactive ones to advanced self-awareness system. So here is a fun activity. So map this to a food production. The root is the central AI unit, partners and children. So sensor feed data to AI which controls the actuator like machines that sort foods. And next the sibling. So multiple sensor on a line, leaf loads. So final check like quality reports. And try sketching a simple diagram like AI at the top, sensor branching out to actions like alarms. So here is the result for that activity, and it is very useful to build your creativity. Okay. So next is in the real world AI monitors freshness. So sensor predicts fruit ripening for better shelf life. So next is the contamination detection. In biosensor, it spots a pathogens like salmonellas, and in a supply chain optimization, it tracks the storage during the transport and sustainability. It cut down the waste with predictions. So a case study of IBM's food trust uses the AI for traceability from the farm to the table, ensuring the quality. Okay. But there are challenges like data quality issue hinder insights and higher cost detect the small producers. So scalability is not all system fit every form. Next is the regulatory, which is a hurdle that slow down the compliances. So what is the solution? It is simple. We use design thinking process. So like we can use a prototype which is affordable with a scalable system that solves this step by step. Okay. So looking ahead, AI is the food safety which will focus on sustainability and minimize the environmental impact. So personalized safety, that is AI tailored to specific food, and IoT integration, seamless data from the connected sensors. Next is the edge AI on device processing for a quick response. It's all about smarter, greener food tech. So to summarize, AI and sensor team up for a safer food. So less waste and innovation. So we have covered basic benefits, apps and trends. So this is a mind map for the overall session. So if this is a challenge, we can try, everyone can try. So it's a think, parent, share. Okay. So if designing a bakery, monitor the temperature, humidity, ingredient freshness and contamination. Okay. So here empathize with bakers and consumers and prioritize the fresh bread. Okay. You can take 2 minutes to think about it, and you can also discuss with your benchmates or your partner who is nearby and give a solution. Okay. So we shall also give a small design thinking hint. Okay. So just empathize with the bakers and consumer, prioritize its need and consider the temperature, humidity, ingredients, freshness or contamination risk. So iterative mission. So you're at a juice factory with contamination alert. So empathize the customers, worry about health, manage about the cost. So what can you ideate? Use AI sensor to isolate bad batches. So next is the prototype. So you can use flowchart or sensor detectors and AI analysis action like recall. So share the idea as a design thinking in action, and you can comment in the comment section. So here are the references which I had referred for this presentation. Okay, and thank you all for this listening to this presentation. We shall meet in our next presentation. Bye.